Imagine you're cruising down the highway, hands off the wheel, sipping your coffee, and your car is driving itself. Pretty amazing, right? But here's the real question: what happens if something goes wrong? Who's responsible? And more importantly, do you still need car insurance if your car drives itself? If you've been wondering about how insurance works for autopilot or self-driving cars, what kind of coverage you need, how much it costs, and how claims are handled, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of autopilot car insurance, breaking it all down step by step in a way that's super easy to understand. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understanding what autopilot really means. First things first, what exactly is an autopilot car? Autopilot doesn't mean your car is fully autonomous like in a sci-fi movie. Right now, most cars with autopilot features are driver assist systems, not fully self-driving. For example, Tesla uses the term autopilot and full self-driving, FSD, but the driver still has to stay alert and ready to take control at any moment. Waymo offers more advanced self-driving services, but mostly in limited areas. Cruise, owned by GM, also offers robotaxi services in select cities. But even with all this advanced tech, the responsibility still falls on the human inside the car. That's a key point, because it's exactly why you still need insurance. Step 2. Do you need insurance for an autopilot or self-driving car? Short answer? Absolutely. Here's why. Legal requirement. In almost every U.S. state, having liability insurance is mandatory to legally drive and register your vehicle. Technology isn't perfect. Autopilot systems can and do make mistakes, and if an accident happens, someone has to pay for the damage. Driver responsibility. Right now, even if the car is driving itself, you're still considered legally responsible in most situations. So yes, autopilot or not, you must have insurance. Step 3. How much does insurance for autopilot cars cost? Now let's talk money. On average, insuring an autopilot or semi-autonomous vehicle can be a bit more expensive than a regular car, but it depends on a few key factors. Here are the big ones. 1. Car model and tech. High-tech cars, like Teslas or Lucid Airs, come with expensive sensors and computers. That means higher repair costs, which means higher premiums. 2. Safety ratings. Ironically, autopilot features can lower your insurance cost in some cases because these cars are statistically less likely to crash. 3. Driving history and location. Just like regular cars, your zip code, driving history, age, and credit score can all affect your rate. So, how much are we talking? Tesla Model 3, around $1,800 to $2,500 per year. Lucid Air can range from $2,500 to $3,000 per year. Waymo Robotaxi, commercial use covered by commercial fleet insurance, but if you're using it personally, the cost is usually built into the ride fare. Remember, these are average estimates, and your actual rate could be higher or lower depending on your specific situation. Step 4. What type of coverage do you need? Autopilot or not, standard car insurance policies still apply. But there are a few special things to pay attention to if your car has self-driving features. Here's a breakdown of the main types of coverage you should consider. 1. Liability insurance, required in most states. Covers injuries and damage you cause to others. Why it matters: even if your car was in autopilot mode, you're still the one legally on the hook if something goes wrong. 2. Collision insurance. Covers damage to your car if you hit another car or object. Important because autopilot systems can misjudge turns, speed, or unexpected traffic patterns. 3. Comprehensive insurance. Covers theft, vandalism, weather damage, animal collisions. Your high-tech sensors won't help you if a hailstorm hits or a deer jumps out in front of you. 4. Personal injury protection, PIP, or MedPay. Covers medical expenses for you and your passengers. Autopilot won't prevent 100% of injuries, so this is still essential. 5. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Covers if you're hit by someone with no insurance or not enough insurance. Step 5. Who pays if the autopilot feature causes the accident? This is where things get interesting. If your car was in autopilot mode and causes a crash, who's to blame? Right now, most insurance companies still treat you, the driver, as responsible even if the software made a mistake. That means you file a claim through your own insurance. If there's evidence the software malfunctioned, your insurer might try to recover the cost from the car manufacturer or tech provider, but that's a behind-the-scenes legal battle. Step 6. Future of insurance for autopilot cars. As self-driving technology gets better, the insurance world is trying to catch up. Some key trends to watch. Tesla Insurance. Tesla now offers its own insurance in several U.S. states, using real-time driving data to price your premium. Usage-based insurance. More insurers are moving toward pricing based on how safely you actually drive or how your autopilot system performs. Liability shifts. In the future, insurance might shift from personal to product liability, holding automakers or software developers accountable. Remember, even if your car is smart, you still need to stay insured. And if you're driving a Tesla, Lucid, or even using a Waymo ride, let me know how your experience has been. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.